So today I'm going to talk about why it is that I chose a manual instead of an automatic Hellcat. Hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, so let's get into it. Why did I choose a manual versus the automatic? So when I got this car, I didn't really have that much of a choice. They were really hard to get in 2015, and so the allocation that was there was for a manual. But luckily, that's what I wanted, so no big deal. But I've had manuals since about 2003, 2004. I've cycled manuals, automatics. I find manuals to be a more engaging driver experience. I understand automatics are quicker or more consistent. That's what steered a lot of people to the automatic Hellcat as well. But for me, really, manual was just a personal preference. Now, stuff I don't like on this car, stock, the shifter was super vague, and the skip shift, which is an EPA thing that forces you to shift from first to fourth in low speed, super annoying. Easily to bypass both of those. The shifter, I put in a Barton aftermarket shifter. Thing is built like a tank. Did it myself. You can do it yourself in your garage. And for the skip shift, simple little dongle. I got it at Speed Logics. Plug it in underneath the transmission under the car, and it defeats that. Let's do a quick pull so you'll see how the Barton works. Super precise shifts. I don't think I've missed a shift since I've had the Barton. It's really easy just to go through the gears. Really engaging. You really feel it in this car. And the other thing I'll cover in another part is rev match downshifting. I'll cover kind of how to do that, why I do that. So there you have it. Really, it's just, again, comes out to a personal preference. But again, if you like manuals, I think you're just going to enjoy the more engaging experience and the full control you have over your power band. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this, please click like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.